Let's modify the value of a to be equal to the value of 5. If we run our code, the condition inside if statement fails and hence else statement block executes. But this is not correct as they are equal. To overcome this, we can use something called an elif statement, which also takes up a condition. This only executes when the above if statements fail. Nothing is executed because a is greater than b and b is greater than a, both are failing. Now we can use an else statement at the end if both of our above conditions fail. There is only one possibility that both are equal. This else statement executes because above if and elif statements have failed. The order of execution of these statements is from top to bottom.